Tesla recently introduced Optimus Gen 2, a new generation of robots that are faster, lighter, and have more human-like physical movements. But can this robot compete with other robots or even potentially become the basis of Tesla's workforce one day? Let's figure out what's so special about Optimus Gen 2. One of the key improvements in Optimus Gen 2 is increased mobility. The robot is now capable of walking 30% faster than the previous model, with a speed of 5 km per hour. This improvement, while not record-breaking, represents a significant step towards practical utility. The physical design has also been optimized. Tesla managed to reduce the weight of the robot by 10 kilograms, improving its balance, down to about 80 kilograms. This is an important feature, especially considering the functionality of robots in real-world scenarios. Additionally, the robot uses drive sensors developed by Tesla. This makes it more reliable, energy efficient, and compatible with other Tesla products. The robot also has a head with 2 degrees of freedom, allowing it to move its head in different directions and enhancing its interaction with people and the environment. A standout feature of Optimus Gen 2 are its newly developed hands. These hands are designed to be universal, strong enough to lift significant weights. Moreover, they are precise enough to handle delicate objects like eggs. This combination of power and precision is critical for the robot's efficiency in various tasks. The company plans to deploy a robot in its production operations, testing its capabilities in a real environment. After proving its effectiveness, Tesla intends to commercialize it, making it available for broader applications. The robot can lift items weighing up to 20 kg with its new 5-fingered hands. This makes it capable of performing various tasks related to moving and manipulating an object. This robot also has the ability to recognize voice commands and speech using microphones and neural networks trained on Tesla's data. This allows him to communicate with people and carry out tasks that require sound interaction. In addition, the robot can connect to the Tesla network and receive software and data updates via a wireless connection. This makes it safer, more reliable, and adaptable to changing conditions. And finally, the robot can work in tandem with other Tesla robots, synchronizing their actions and exchanging information. This increases his productivity and efficiency in team tasks. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, emphasized the potential impact of the Optimus project. He predicts that the robot could play a significant role in Tesla's long-term value, with market demand for this robot reaching billions of units. Tesla Optimus Gen 2 represents significant progress in humanoid robots. With improved mobility, weight reduction, and with its universal hands, the robot is ready to transition from concept to practical utility. Tesla plans to integrate Optimus into its manufacturing processes and ultimately commercialize it, signaling a new era in robotics. Friends, if you watched this video till the end, I would appreciate a like and subscription to the YouTube channel. This really motivates and allows creating content for you. In addition, this will improve YouTube recommendations of similar topics for you and add plus points to your karma. And don't forget about the comments under the video. Thanks for watching.